y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys. I have the Juvias Place. This is the Vanessa Juvias Place palette. It's this palette right here. This is how it's looking. So if you're interested in seeing how my look is going to turn out, keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, check me out. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's jump right into it. All right, so I have my eyes based with the louise Eyebase. I have it in Rumor 0.5. So next I'm gonna go in with my first shade. I think I wanna go in with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna pack it into my crease. All right, so I'm gonna go in with a blending brush and kind of blend off, you know, the harsh lines before I add in my next color. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I don't know how this look is gonna turn out. I'm just, you know, going with the flow. Red shade, so I'm gonna go in with it again. Then go back in with that blender. Now I'm gonna go in and cut my crease.
Act broke and see how they treat you? No. Who? What kind of manly? No, you do not ever.
Oh my God.
Act broke. No.
What the fuck?
Sorry, that threw me off. Why are some older men controlling? Because you allow them to control you. Nobody's controls me. He could be 99. I'm not controlled by anybody.
Girl, so, you was a woman. What are you talking about?
Married?
so I am done. This is the final look. So I really like the palette. I don't have any cons with it. It's very pigmented. It looks really, really good. I was able to use every shade in the palette except for this brown shade. I didn't really see a use for it, but overall, I do like this palette. It's like a soft, high glam. It's really popping. So yeah, it's really popping. Beautiful. So that is all that I have to say on here. If you do have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the description comment box. So yeah, y'all, thank you so much for tuning in. See you guys later. Bye.